سوق الحوت Jhonangel. So, we're here at the Medina and we are sitting down at a really cool cafe, and one of our friends, Wasim from Dublin, he has some friends in Tunis, and they came to pick us up from the hotel, and now we're hanging out with them. And this is all of us. Like, that is Pritam, Bunny, as you've probably already seen. And
Mouheb, hello, my name is Mouheb. And Belhassan. You guys won't even pronounce my name right, but it's okay.
we're having some really nice teas and coffees and everything, and yeah, this place is really lovely.
We're staying here. It's jibba, our traditional. You can go to the wedding with one of these. Yeah, that should be. Yeah, that should be enough. No, that should be enough. That's like the first university ever created. Zituna, massive zituna.
Oh, yeah.
Zituna means olive oil. Olive, just olive. Film the show. Shit.
This black jasmine.
Usually in blue, but
What do you like? Black or jasmine?
So we've just been walking around this really beautiful area, which is called the Kasbah. I suppose it is the city hall in the Tunis city center. And the guys have been telling us about a lot. And the guys have been telling us a little bit about the Tunisian history and about the Jasmine Revolution in 2020. Which kick-started the Arab Spring, which was mostly for rights of the people, and Tunisia was one of the only countries that I think came out very peacefully out of it. Other countries did have some problems, but with Tunisia, they've been pretty good. Now, one of the things that's really interesting about walking on the streets here is that no one stops for anyone. Like, the cars don't stop for the people don't stop for the cars. We're walking on a tram track, and no one seems to mind. And yeah, it just reminds me a lot like back home. So we're walking with the guys, and like the guys want to take us drinking to try the Tunisian beer, and I've been like asking them stuff about, oh, is that okay for you, and can we really drink in public, or can we just go in and drink freely? Like, I'm just asking questions like an idiot. I think that other people worry more about what the Arabs are thinking about the things that they do and you want to do, rather than just exactly.
I approve.
Yeah. So we're gonna drink.
You are for you.
Now, after a lovely day and a few pints, we are gonna call it off a day for the day. We're walking at the Habib Bourguiba streets, and we're trying to find a place to eat. Obviously, before we leave, we're gonna eat, and I will see you in the next one.
دي واحدة سلايس وفري فرايز. دي واحدة فرايز here. Here. More.